I did open my State of the City mentioning social services and investing in people. And that brings me to some of the most important work we do as a city and the most important for our residents. And that's the work around HHS, or Health and Human Services. These are social services that impact residents in the most meaningful of ways. It's our most important mission to provide more life-changing support and opportunities for families who are far too often the ones left behind due to social inequities and other injustices. Let's start with access to healthy foods. That is often a challenge in urban areas with diverse populations like Jersey City. This past year, we opened the city's second Healthy Greens Jersey City vertical farm. Located in public housing, it provides over 500 pounds of free produce to hundreds of local families here in Jersey City. Our Healthy Greens program goes far beyond providing healthy greens, though. It is a partnership with the community to encourage more residents to adopt healthier lifestyles. To further advance these public health efforts, this year we are building a standalone food pantry within Curries Woods using federal grants. This is in conjunction with programs around healthy corner stores and senior supermarket tours. Under Director Stacy Flanagan, who happens to be here as well, healthier diets have been a core part of improving lives. And that's not all HHS is doing. From expanded veteran services to confronting health issues like monkeypox, our health department has been a leader across the country. And when I said the city has been an example earlier in the update, I wasn't exaggerating. On a more global scale, we helped reunite families who escaped the Taliban, Ukrainian children and mothers fleeing Russian military invasions, residents from Haiti, Latin America, Africa, and Asia looking for a better opportunity. We are the only municipality in the United States of America with federal approval for our immigration program. Jersey City has set a national precedent for helping immigrants navigate the corridors of the immigration system and accessing life-saving services. We have proven to be leaders in integrating immigrants in a unique and inclusive public health strategy because we believe everyone deserves a chance to succeed, regardless of which country you're born in. Jersey City is a welcoming city, a place that provides endless opportunities for everyone, the same opportunities that you and I have had. Speaking of opportunities, the most important part of creating a pathway to success is to make quality education more accessible. Despite financial challenges statewide, we found ways to build several new schools, creating thousands of new seats to alleviate overcrowding and provide the quality education all 30,000 Jersey City students deserve. No city in New Jersey has created more new seats for public education than Jersey City. Our administration was the driving force behind Explore 2000, which has 250 students. We were the impetus behind building the PS16 Annex with more than 200 students. Last month, we approved the Empowerment Charter School construction using city land, which will have over 2,000 students. Next month, we'll break ground on Liberty Science Center High School, which will have more than 400 students. These are all public school seats that we created without state help. As a point of reference, Liberty Science School will be the state's most innovative high school, offering students one of the top STEM educations in the entire region. But learning doesn't stop at the end of school, and that's why our commitment to higher education institutions are an absolute priority. We are working closely with the county government to reimagine Hudson County Community College as part of our Journal Square revitalization plan. And I also want to make clear that NJCU is a vital part of the fabric of our community, and it is not an option to have campus life disappear from this part of the city. We've been working closely with Senator Stack to secure the necessary funds here, but at the same time, I will say I do agree with Governor Murphy that accountability is important, and it would be absolutely irresponsible to give a blank check of taxpayer money for an institution that doesn't yet have the necessary guardrails in place to protect it around leadership. And the sooner that those conversations can complete, I am sure the sooner that we can move forward on the funding situation. We all agree the college campus provides indispensable opportunities to families here in Hudson County, and we are committed to keeping that here. Our administration made a commitment to the west side of Jersey City and even beyond Bayfront. We have the upcoming light rail extension. We have the NJCU redevelopment plan. We have various private residential developments all happening on the west side of Jersey City. I made you a promise during my first campaign for mayor to move development beyond the waterfront, spreading prosperity into every neighborhood in every ward. NJCU failing would set all of that back indefinitely, and that is not an option. In every project or venture, each step we take requires close collaboration with residents, and I believe we are stronger for it. None of this progress would be possible without the incredible team of department directors that I've been lucky enough to work with during my tenure. To bring these ambitious plans to reality can often take years of unrelenting dedication, but this city has never had a more solid team behind it. And also, I'd like to highlight our city council members, led by Council President Joyce Waterman. I mean, they deserve a ton of credit, and I would ask them to please stand up. Thank you to each of our 9 council members for helping to lead our communities and advocating for the needs of our neighborhoods. We have a lot of truly incredible development happening in every corner of the city, and I've just touched on a small part of it. Over the past 10 years, we've laid the groundwork for many impactful projects, and my job as mayor is to see them through to completion. While I've made it known that I won't be seeking re-election in 2025, I have complete confidence that the foundation we've worked so hard to build during my term will allow for new leaders to come in and continue to move Jersey City forward. You would be hard-pressed to find another city that is making this kind of progress, and there will be no slowing down over the next 2 years. This much I promise. Thank you for coming out tonight, and have a great night.